Hi everyone, let's talk about how to cancel Scruff Pro subscription. So let me tell you guys, to cancel Pro subscription, you have to go back to the same platform from where you have subscribed for it. So if you subscribed via Google Play, just go to the Google Play Store, then tap the profile icon in the top right corner and make sure that you are logged into the correct Google account. Then select payments and subscription, then tap subscription and then locate the Scruff interactive subscription, then tap cancel subscription and confirm your location. Now if you subscribed via the Apple ID, just go to your device settings, then tap on your name or Apple ID at the top of your screen. Now select subscriptions from the list. Now a list of your subscription will just show up on the screen. Now locate and tap the Scruff Pro from the subscription list and tap cancel subscription. Now if you subscribed via Stripe or credit card, head to your Scruff app, then tap on your profile tab at the top right corner and then go to contact support and submit a support ticket requesting the cancellation of your Stripe bill subscription. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next